and I did 416 walking kilometers of the Polish coast in 18 days. Blows my mind. I even have a backpack now. So I'm starting my walking journey with snow. How awesome is that? It's winter at the seaside. This is amazing. Look at the snow. I really cannot. This is real. Dutch girl who likes rain, walking the Polish coastline in December. Joyfully. I really have to soak it in. I am doing this right now. Literally freezing my nose off. And I think that was not my coldest day for this journey. It's so foggy. I wonder if I will see the sun on this trip. But you know, a walk like this, like a long distance walk, it's also mostly mentally. I have that special feeling again of complete calmness. Okay, maybe crazy, but I'm so happy to see the sun. Again, I'm all alone. Looking a bit on the beach now. It looks amazing. Quite windy now. Really live the journey. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ow. Huge update. I woke up to. Wow, that sunrise. For me, this is truly magical. I'm gonna cry. This is amazing. I've never experienced this before. Such a difference from yesterday. I already knew how magical Poland is. Seaside in December. Wow, so many snowflakes. It's all in me right now, those intensely joyful feelings. Following a path through the middle of nowhere again. I feel like I'm on my way to Santa Claus right now. It's in the middle of nowhere. If there was just somebody to do a snowball fight with, just try to help other people. Magnificent blue sky. Really cute, I have to show you. That's so awesome. everybody. Oh my goodness. Oh. Love the colorful houses. Whoa. It looks very mystical. Look at it. Welcome to Summer Paradise Webba. For everyone who's been here in the summer, look how it looks like in the winter. The sea looks very, very magical because you also don't see the end of the sea. I feel like I'm in a Christmas movie again. Wow. Magnificent. Am I dreaming? Oh, that was steep. Whoa. I'm happy that ever I could really move in June. Whoa, it's like the top of the mountains, right? Whoa. So that's what makes me the most proud of myself. Not even that I'm walking all these kilometers, but just to see that I can do it mentally. Because the Nink of 4 years ago was laying on the couch, not being able to do anything, and wishing that she would not wake up anymore. She doesn't exist anymore. Look at me now. I'm almost up. Don't fall backwards. Stunning. I have to stop and appreciate. Morning again. So this is Rennek. Wine, oh, so good. I love that. This is mostly my view. We keep smiling. Hey buddies. I guess I'm now a bit in a storm. I hope you can hear me. Oh no, there it is. I have to keep going. Church also looks quite old. Don't ask me how I'm doing this because I don't even know. My groceries. Watch out for the ice again. Beautiful, cute village. Closed. With my hood on. Does not look too bad. Look, this is frozen. My legs definitely are having a hard time right now. Editing the video for you and the photos. Oh, my muscles. Ready for today. Frozen sand. Look at the ice. Ice cold Poland. Magical. My hair, it's frozen. That's not good. Because it's really surviving off the ice cold today. It's insane. It's so cold. That I even cannot take breaks because it's too cold to stand still. So I have to keep moving. I have 3 layers on my legs, but I still feel like very cold, and I know that's dangerous because you can get easier injuries, so I really hope my muscles will get through this. See? So cute. My phone is almost dead, and because of the temperature it will not charge. I just keep walking. Such a special journey with everything. I'm sorry guys, just as my phone. I'm a little bit low in energy today. I think I can ice skate on the beach. Some of these rooms that I'm staying in are made for like summer, not for winter. I saw it was -11 and it felt like -18. It is cold on the trees. Look at it. Being with us. Ice cream on the beach. The biggest newspaper of the area in the Netherlands where I come from will share the story of my friend and I. The sun went away. To be honest, I'm a little bit exhausted. See, it does look like a big one here. I can hardly talk. My mouth is almost, like my muscles in my face are almost frozen. Cute village. Bit grey. So beautiful. It's hard to walk. I'm in love with the Polish seaside. I will make it. Almost there. Wow. Whoa, that tree doesn't look stable. Better keep walking. But I think that you can never decide what is normal for another person. We are all unique human beings with all unique dreams. Just take the first step. Put these on for the last time. Look how everything changed in one night. So just better do the things that you want now, be thankful now, love people now, let them know now. Just live your life, like follow your heart, live with that pure love and happiness and joy, smile more, because it can change. All can change instantly. I just really want to consciously more be really in the moment and really soak it all in, and that's the biggest thing I think this journey taught me. Very impressive. We have some rain, which is a perfect way to end this. These cliffs are insane. You cannot even see it on the video how high they are. Wow. 4 more kilometers. And then I did 450 kilometers of the Polish coastline in December alone. Just when I was soaking it all in. Wow.